Long time ago, different kinds of fishes lived in a lake. Three goldfish named Molly, Polly and Dolly lived on the southern part of the lake near the forest. Since the southern part of the lake was close to the forest, no fisherman came there to catch fish. Molly, Polly and Dolly were good friends. They lived together and played together. One day, when Molly was playing on the surface of the lake, she overheard a conversation between a fisherman and his friend. The fisherman said, "There is a lot of fish on this part of the lake. I'm going to throw my net and catch them all tomorrow." On hearing this, Molly was afraid. She swam fast to warn her friends about this. Molly said, Friends, there is a danger. A fisherman is planning to catch us all tomorrow. Let us move to a safer place." Both Polly and Dolly laughed on hearing this. Polly said, "Why should I move from this place? This is the place where I live. I will not come from here." Dolly nodded her head and said, Yes, Polly is right. I will not move from my place." Molly's request was denied. They didn't listen to the warning given by Molly. The next morning, Molly went to a safe place on the northern part of the lake. The fisherman cast his net and caught all the fish on the southern part of the lake. There were two goldfish in his net, Dolly and Polly. Polly realized if he didn't do anything, he would be taken away by the fisherman. So Polly pretended that he was dead. He did not move. He didn't breathe. The fisherman looked at Polly and said, "What good is a goldfish if it is not alive?" He took Polly and threw him back into the lake. Poor Dolly, who did not have any idea about this, was taken by the fisherman. Friends, when we sense an obstacle, we should prevent it from happening. In case we fail to prevent it from happening, when it happens, we should take actions and come out of that obstacle. If you do not take any action, you will drown or fail like Dolly. So friends, when you sense danger, prevent it from happening. When you face a problem, think, take actions and come out of that problem successfully.